In this video, I am going to discuss about COVID-19 induced black fungus or mucormycosis cases reported in Delhi again. Doctors in Delhi are witnessing a rise in cases of COVID-19 triggered mucormycosis or black fungus in patients again. Doctors said that they also seen earlier in a few cases in the first wave of COVID-19, mucormycosis or black fungus is now striking the patients with suppressed immunity who are on the path to recovery. Mucormycosis is the opportunistic fungal infection triggered by COVID-19. Black fungus or mucormycosis has been a cause of disease and death of patients in transplants, ICUs, and immunodeficient patients for since long. According to Manish Munjal, senior ENT surgeon at Sir Gangaram Hospital, he said that they are seeing a rise again in the dangerous fungal infection triggered by COVID-19. In the last 2 days, they have admitted 6 cases of mucormycosis. Last year, this deadly infection caused high mortality with many patients suffering from loss of eyesight and the removal of nose and the jawbone. And then Dr. Ajay Swarup, the chairman of the ENT department at the hospital, said that the use of steroids in the treatment of COVID-19 coupled with the fact that many coronavirus patients have diabetes could be one of the reasons for this rise in number of black fungus cases again. He also said that the infection is commonly seen in patients who have recovered from COVID-19 but have comorbidities such as diabetes, kidney or heart failure or cancer. Here we discuss about what is mucormycosis or black fungus. It is previously called zygomycosis. It is a serious but rare opportunistic fungal infection caused by a group of molds called mucormycetes. These molds are found throughout the nature and can be found in the soil and decaying organic matter like decaying vegetation. Mucormycosis mainly affects people who have health problems or take medicines that lowers the body ability to fight germs and sickness, and this mucormycosis or black fungus disease can be fatal. Generally, these infections are classified into 5 presentations: rhinocerebellar mucormycosis, pulmonary mucormycosis, cutaneous mucormycosis, gastrointestinal mucormycosis, and disseminated mucormycosis. And here, how does someone get mucormycosis? People get mucormycosis through contact with fungal spores in the environment. A skin infection can occur after the fungus enter the skin through the scrape, burn or another type of skin injury. And then, is mucormycosis contagious? No, mucormycosis can't spread between people or between people and animals. Regarding the treatment, mortality rates among patients with mucormycosis remain high despite antifungal therapy. Surgical intervention and debridement is the gold standard of treatment for eradicating the infection. However, many of the clinical presentations do not allow for such methods of treatment. Amphotericin B formulations, including liposomal amphotericin B and lipid complex amphotericin B, the antifungal medications that have been recommended for use in life-threatening fungal infections such as mucormycosis. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.